All right, let's talk about patch management just a little bit, right?
Yeah.
We've talked about the importance of making sure nothing gets through. Patch management is an important area of any systems management. It involves acquiring, testing, and installing multiple patches to your computer system. It's an ongoing thing. Patch management tasks are maintaining current knowledge of available patches and then deciding what patches are appropriate for particular systems to ensure that patches are installed properly. Now, this also includes testing systems after installation and documenting all associated procedures, such as specific configurations that are required. Now, as you know, there are a number of products available to automate this patch management, including Ringmaster's Automated Patch Management, PatchLink Update, Gibraltar's Everguard, and HF NetCheck. Though there are many tools to automate patch management, we're going to look at HF NetCheck.
HF NetCheck. This is a tool that is built upon the industry standard of HF NetCheck scanning engine, which is used by Microsoft for its popular Microsoft Baseline Security Analyzer. HF NetCheck and MBSA were developed by Shavlik Technologies. Now, this tool is used worldwide by corporations including Microsoft, educational institutions, government agencies, and others to ensure proper security patch management.